Real estate is changing faster than ever, and for agents to succeed and thrive in today's market, they need support, they need modern marketing skills, and they need a collaborative environment surrounded by top-tier professionals.
The Level 10 Agent Coaching Program was designed to give you this and more. As top producing real estate agents, we know what it takes to be successful, and we want to show you our playbook so you can take your business to the next level.
It is here where you're going to learn modern social media techniques and YouTube skills to attract inbound leads and ultimately create clients, and how you can do this for free.
From there, we'll show you proven conversion techniques where we'll turn your leads into clients and your clients into your lifelong referral partners.
Quite simply, Level 10 is about leveling up your business and about joining our community of like-minded professionals that truly want to see you and will help you succeed.
Every week, we release new videos to help you find more clients, do more deals, and build your business to thrive in any market. We challenge you to do this the modern way.